Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the review of my Louis Vuitton Josephine wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. This is my Louis Vuitton Josephine wallet in monogram coated canvas. First off, let's start with the size of the wallet. The size of the wallet is 7.5 inches in length, 3.75 inches in height, 0.4 inches in depth. And it is a long, slim shape wallet. This wallet opens with a snap button closure, and button color matches the interior lining. And as you can see, when you open the wallet, it has a very colorful fuchsia lining, which is made up of grain cowhide leather. Okay, if you notice, I opted for the personalized hat stamping that Louis Vuitton offers. It's free of charge, and they have a limit for 3 letters only, and they have a wide variety of different colors. They have gold, silver, pink, red, so I picked the color gold. Anyway, and this wallet is made in Spain. Let's move on with the details of the wallet. The wallet has 4 card slots, has a flat pocket, a bill compartment, and if you notice, it has a removable zip pocket or a zip pouch. This slim zip pocket, we're going to talk about it in a minute, but I want to show you guys this pocket in the back. As you can see, I'm going to put my hand. It has a really deep pocket that goes up to the length of the wallet, and it's so cool that you can just hide anything like a bill or whatever you want. It's so deep. The pocket is so deep, and that's one cool feature of this wallet. So now let's talk about this removable zip pocket. It's very slim. You can use it as a coin purse, or you can use it to put receipts. I think I have a couple of receipts in here. And you can use it as an insert or as an addition to the wallet, or you can just use it any way you like it. You can utilize it as you please. Let's talk about the wear and tear of the wallet. And the only thing or the only issue that I've seen with this wallet is the creasing when you open the wallet, because when you open and close the wallet, you see the creasing where it folds. And I think it's really expected, because when you open and close the wallet, it creases, it tends to crease. And that's part of the design, because when you open and fold it, it just creases. And it's expected, and it doesn't really bother me at all. And that's the only issue that I see. I don't see any glazing issue, and the button doesn't get worn out. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the wallet. Moving on with the pros of the wallet. This wallet is very durable. It held up pretty good, and it has a very good price point. It has a better value for your money. Talking about the better value for your money, the addition of the removable zip pocket, you can use the wallet with or without it. You can utilize the removable zip pocket as a separate card holder or a coin purse. I don't have any con for this wallet. I only have good praises for this wallet. I really highly recommend this wallet. It's durable, it's beautiful, it's functional, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye, guys.